In our fast-paced world, integrating fitness into daily life can seem daunting. However, small adjustments can lead to significant transformations. Imagine starting each day with a quick workout that gets your blood pumping and your mood lifted. It doesn't require a gym membership. Even a brisk walk or a few minutes of stretching can show remarkable results. As the sun rises, transform your morning routine by dedicating 10-15 minutes to exercises that energize, rather than drain. Another effective fitness hack involves being mindful of your movement throughout the day. Picture yourself standing rather than sitting during phone calls or opting for stairs instead of the elevator. These seemingly trivial choices accumulate, contributing to an active lifestyle. Consider investing in a standing desk or taking short walking breaks during work hours to break the monotony. Each movement, each step, contributes positively to your overall fitness journey. Moreover, align your fitness with social interactions. Envision meeting friends for a hike instead of coffee. Bonding over the shared joy of movement strengthens connections while keeping you active. Group classes in your neighborhood can also transform a dull routine into a vibrant social event. Exercise doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. Engaging with others can bolster motivation and cultivate a sense of community. Additionally, maximize your time with short, intense workouts when your schedule feels tight. Visualize a 20-minute high-intensity interval training HIIT session. Bursts of energy interspersed with brief recovery periods, delivering an effective full-body workout in minimal time. This leaves you feeling exhilarated and accomplished, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Mindful eating can serve as another powerful hack. Picture prepping healthy snacks like fruits and nuts to keep hunger at bay without indulging in processed foods. Staying hydrated is equally important. Visualize your water bottle as a gym buddy, always ready to support you. Each sip nourishes your body, enhancing performance and recovery. In essence, fitness hacks for daily life revolve around making small, conscious choices that ripple into significant lifestyle changes. Visualize the cumulative effects of these practices as stepping stones towards a healthier, more energetic version of yourself. Start integrating these strategies today, and watch how they can breathe new life into your routine, elevating your everyday experiences.